Let's head inside the 2-bedroom grand suite here on the Harmony of the Seas. This is cabin number 10644. Now, immediately stepping into the suite, you are greeted by this massive 580 square feet of interior living space. The design is modern, like a modern, elegant sort of design, and this suite comfortably accommodates up to 8 guests. It includes a master bedroom over to the left here, a guest bedroom, and a double sofa bed in the living room. So good for families, also good for friends if you're traveling together as groups. Over here on this wall, you will find the light switches that are for the lights out here in the living room area. And as you can see, these massive floor to ceiling windows with the balcony outside that we will explore in a minute. Anchoring the living space, we have this massive console with a bunch of space. As you can see, there's a closet to the right, which we'll take a look at inside later. And as you can see there, 6 drawers on the bottom of the console with the mini fridge in between those 6 drawers. You also have the 4 cabinets to the left of the console, 2 uppers and 2 lowers. In the middle of the console, you have the big screen TV. Since this is a SkyClass suite, you're getting much more than just this beautiful room. Every detail is considered, starting at the moment you arrive. As part of your SkyClass experience, you will find a fresh fruit plate and bottled water waiting in your room on day 1 to help you settle in. You will also have a dedicated concierge who will handle all of your reservations, plus all-day access to the exclusive Coastal Kitchen restaurant and the private suite lounge and sun deck. You also get complimentary VOOM high-speed internet for everyone in the room and reserved seating at the biggest shows on board, so you can skip the lines and just focus on the fun. Let me know if you'd like to have a more detailed breakdown of Royal Caribbean's class tiers and loyalty tiers, and I will do that video for you guys. Also, if you love cruising like we do, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We drop new videos every single week, so join the community and stay tuned for our latest adventure. So as you can see, every detail is considered, from the fresh fruit and espresso coffee station to the high-tech charging docks located right by the bedside. This suite is super versatile. Here is the secondary bedroom that's perfect for kids or extra guests. It has 2 twin beds that can convert into a Royal King, plus 2 Pullman style beds that fold down from the ceiling to accommodate a total of 4 people in this room alone. You also get a dedicated closet, a flat screen TV, and a private vanity with extra power outlets so that everyone can charge their devices without fighting over the plugs. For families or groups traveling together, having a second full bathroom is a big time game changer and a major selling point for the 2-bedroom grand suite, because it provides that much needed privacy and convenience for the guests staying in the second bedroom. Located right across from the second bedroom, it has a glass shower and its own modern vanity. This second full bath means that no one is waiting in line to get ready for dinner, giving the guests in the second bedroom their own private space to refresh after a long day at the Aqua Theater or the Flow Rider. The master bedroom is tucked away for privacy, has its own door, as does the secondary bedroom. The master bedroom features a king-size bed with a luxury pillow top mattress. It also includes a private dressing area and its own dedicated climate control for your maximum comfort. For your tech, you'll find a standard power outlet right by the nightstand on one side of the bed. If you have more devices to charge, the private dressing vanity is equipped with additional North American and European outlets, along with 2 integrated USB ports to keep everything powered up. To the left of the vanity, you will find extra storage space, and inside of this extra storage space, you will find your safe. This safe is big enough to hold a standard sized laptop. The master bathroom feels like a private spa. It's finished with premium stone and includes a full-size bathtub, which is a rare luxury at sea. If you have smaller children, having a bathtub is another game changer. You'll also find plenty of storage in this master bathroom tucked away for all of your travel essentials, making it easy to keep the space feeling clean and relaxed. The only thing I wish they had done differently in this bathroom was to fill the shampoo and conditioner amenity bottles up. They did look a little sketch. Let's step outside onto this massive private balcony. So this balcony offers a humongous 238 square feet of outdoor space. You have several lounge chairs here and a private dining set. This is the perfect spot for a quiet breakfast or watching the sunset over the ocean. This balcony is the perfect way to wrap up your day at sea. Some of the lounge chairs are showing signs of wear and tear, and hopefully they will fix that in the upcoming amplification. Thank you for joining us on this tour. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next one.